Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ekato Blessing, and today we have an exciting tutorial for those of you who wants to shop on AliExpress without a Naira card, or those of you having issues paying with a Naira card on AliExpress. So you want to sit back. We are going to be sharing with you a simple step-by-step guide on how to achieve this. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, then let's get right into this video. So guys, before we go into the tutorial, I remember the first time I did an unboxing of the product I got from AliExpress. One of the comments was, I can't pay with my Naira card, or my card is being declined. So I decided to do this video because I came to understand that Naira card are being restricted from any international platform like AliExpress or Amazon or any other shopping platform you get. So what you need to get, or what you need to do, is to get a virtual dollar card, and that is literally what I use. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get that virtual dollar card, and I'm actually using an app to show you guys how to get this virtual dollar card for almost free. So I can't say it's free, but almost free. And you want to also get an app that the transaction fee is low and not like at a higher rate. So we are going to get right into this video, so sit back with us and get informed. So guys, what you're going to be seeing onward, it's the screen of my phone. So I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step guide on how to get this virtual dollar card with your mobile phone at the comfort of your home. So guys, let's get right into this video. So guys, I hope you can see the screen of my phone on the screen. So what we are going to be doing, the first thing we want to do is go to Play Store. So we are going to Play Store, and what we want to download, the app we are going to be using is the Clasher app. So you want to type Clasher app. As you can see, the second one on the screen, that is what we are installing. So you want to click on install. So you want to be patient till when it is done installing. So guys, it is installing. So we are done downloading the Clasher app. So the next thing you want to do is open. You want to click on open, and this is what the app looks like from the very first click. So what we want to do is create an account. Though I already have an account, but I want to show you guys from scratch. So we are going to click on create account, and then we want to use an email. So what you want to do is put your email. So when you are done putting your email, you want to press continue. So once you are done sending your email, they would send you an OTP, or rather a one-time password, to your email. As you can see, I have received the OTP. So what I want to do is go upwards and input the code. So they want us to tell them a bit about ourselves. So you want to tell them a bit about yourself. So they ask for a legal first name. So I'm going to fill this, the first name, the last name, so what you would want as a Clasher handle. So I'll just write So they agreed on that. So you want to put a phone number that you know it will be accessible. So I'm going to put my order number in. So if you can actually put my handle. I'll put the referral handle on the screen so that you can actually use my handle when registering. So guys, I don't have any, so what I'm going to do is press continue. Click on continue. You want to put your address, your home address, if that's okay by you. You just want to put simple things, so I'll just write so you will just choose from any of the one you just saw here, and that is it. So the city, you put your city. I'm putting Benin, and then my state, I'm putting Edo State, and then Nigeria. Then you click on continue. So guys, the next thing you want to do is put a password that you can easily remember. So what you want to do is create a password. Then afterwards, after inputting your password, you want to click on continue. So guys, due to some issues, I took time to do that, so I'm just going to log in. Remember, we've already done the email, the telling them about yourself, and that it's it. So guys, we're going to sign in and we input our email. And you want to press continue, and then they'll send you an email, so you want to check. So this is what it's looking like. So what we want to do is set new password. You want to make sure these gray marks are ticked. If not, they won't give you access to it. So your password is set. Proceed to set pin. So what you want to do is set new pin. You want to confirm. Your pin is set. So afterwards, your pin is set, and then you click on proceed. So they take you back to this welcome page. So they're saying welcome back, blessing. So what you want to do is input your pin. And it will keep on loading. So let's verify your identity, your BVN verification, your ID verification. So these are two things that you will need to do. So let's click on I will do this later. So I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the app looks like. So this is the Clasher app. I feel you can use this app for any transaction that you want. You can literally use this app for any transaction that you want, aside your dollar card and all of it. So as you can see, we are on home. There's no transaction going on. So you want to verify your identity at your like at the time you know you have a chance to do this, but we are not doing that because we've done that before, and there's a possibility that they might not accept the BVN again. You get. So the next thing we want to guide and do is click on the cards, and then you see multi-card experience. The two cards work together to give you more payment options. So you want to slide, okay, you want to slide, and then you press continue. So now guys, we have the Clasher pink virtual card, and then if you slide, we have the Clasher black virtual card. Now going back to the Clasher pink virtual card, said the ideal usage, you can use it on Apple, you can use it on Netflix, you can use it on Spotify, you can use it for any other payment or any other platform. And the card creation fee is $2.50. $2.50, and the spending limit is $10,000. You understand? So your withdrawal limit is once per day. What it means is, let's say you have like about $5 in your virtual dollar card, you can literally withdraw it to your Naira wallet. You understand? To your Naira wallet. So what you want to do, you can either choose with your Clasher pink virtual card or the black card. The black card, you can use it on AliExpress, you can use it on PayPal, you can use it for any other platform. The card creation fee is $3.50. The monthly maintenance is $1, which is another extra charge. The card funding fee is $1.50. Spending limit is unlimited. Withdrawal limit is 5 times per day. So you can choose on whatever you feel works for you. But for me, what I use is the Clasher pink virtual card. This is what I literally use. So at the time I got this virtual card, this pink virtual card, it was $5. It was not $2.50. That's why I'm shocked. So what you want to do is create pink virtual card. So you will have to do your own verification. You have to verify your identity before they will allow you create a card, before they will allow you get this pink virtual card. All you need to do is go back to home, click on verify your identity, you put your BVN and your ID cards, and that is literally all, babies. So what you want to do is either choose Dough. I use the pink virtual card and I'm good, and that's what I've been using, and it is awesome, period. It is awesome. So you can either choose from the pink virtual card or the black virtual card. I know most people would want to go for the black because you are saying the ideal usage is AliExpress, but don't be deceived by that. You can use both on AliExpress and even more platforms, you understand? So this is the virtual dollar card I use to make payments on AliExpress, because you will need a dollar card, you don't need a Naira card to make payments on AliExpress or any other platform, you understand? So this is literally all. And guys, on this Clasher app, you can shop directly on AliExpress, you can shop on Amazon, you can shop on Shein, you can shop on any other platform from this same app. So it is a win-win, you understand? So I am not shopping. As you can see, it has New Look, Nest, it has ASOS, it has Pretty Little Things, it has H&M, Shein, Boo, Clarks, Zara, River Island, Amazon, and a lot more. So if you want to shop, you can shop directly from this app while your virtual card is already here, without you going far. You get the gist. So that is literally all. Your accounts, you want to make sure you are properly verified, which is very, very important if you want to get the Clasher pink virtual card. So I will recommend you getting the pink card, not the black card. I have not used the black card, but what I'm currently using is the pink card, and it is giving what it's supposed to give, you understand? That is what I'm literally using to make payments on AliExpress. So guys, we are literally done with this tutorial. Because this is the app that I use, and this is the virtual dollar card that I use from this app. So I'm using the pink virtual dollar card from this Clasher app. So you want to get this card, it doesn't take anything. So what you want to do is to confirm the rate like the rate of $1 from the app itself, so that you can know how much it's $3.50 in Naira, if that makes sense, if you understand what I'm saying. If you want to create your card, you will have to fund your wallet on the Clasher app. They will give you an account where you can pay in, you can transfer into, you can use USSD code, you can use your card, your bank card. So it has made things easier. I feel it has made things easier because yes, it has made things easier. The transaction fee is moderate, it is awesome, it is okay. You get. Another app you can use is the Cheaper Cash app. I don't use that because I know it has a high rate of transaction fee. So I think I am so cool with this Cash app because it's actually made registration and getting the card easy for me. So you want to definitely get this app right now as I'm talking to you, so you can start making payments on AliExpress or the things you want before it gets sold out. You get the gist. So welcome to the club of shopping on AliExpress. So guys, if you find this video helpful and if you liked this video, please click on the like button, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever my video for more helpful tips. So if you want to see more of this video, please, you definitely need to subscribe. So guys, this is literally all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed, bye.